love it. Lovelies, this is lovely. Hi lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. It's your girl Momandprettyimisi here again. So in today's video we are installing this hair from LUVME. So let's see. Okay guys, this hair is awesome. So cha from the box. Just gonna go ahead and take this off. So this is LUVME All Day Comfort Wig. The density right here is 180%. It's glueless, 7x6 closure, HD lace human hair wig. It is long. The name of the hair is long. It has the band here. Oh, this is fancy. Look at this. LUVME is customizing their hair bands. Look at that. LUVME. So to make the product fancy, it is customized in their color and LUVME. Isn't that amazing? It is so cute. Our hair cap is breathable. Look at this. And the lace here is HD. The lace has been pre-cut. You don't have to stress yourself to cut the lace to fit your head. The hair is coily. Look at this. And they have this hair in 14 all the way to 24 inches, and the cap size also run from 19 to 23 inches. The amazing part of this hair is the fact that it has this pin right here, like you're wearing your bra, so you just spin it around your hair like this, so like this, and then you can just pin it here on your hair, which is so cool. Everyone, this makes it so cool. This is the trendy style now. So it makes the hair just snugly fit on your head, which is amazing. I already had my hair braided right here. Lace tint mousse, the dark brown. I think I got this somewhere, maybe on Amazon. So I'm using this. Brush it down like that. While this is drying up, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair. 2 HD caps, so I'm gonna be using one of them. To be glue. Perfect. Easy breezy, no stress. Look at that. Haha. Look at this. Lovely. Because I don't want this showing up, I might just as well spray just to keep it firm. There we go. Allow that to stay and dry. It's very fast. It doesn't stay too long for it to dry up. So I'm just gonna put this. Perfect. Apply this wax right here. You can decide to do this or not. I just feel like this was just sit down right there. Gonna comb it down a little. I think you can comb it. It's gonna be voluminous. Lace mousse just for the frontals. There we go. Goodness, this is sweet. Look at this. It looks so cute, everyone. It looks so cute. I have not even combed it. I'm just running my fingers through it. Other than the top part that I just combed out a little, this looks so good. Try to give it combing. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh goodness, look at the volume. Gosh. All right, lovelies, let's take out this. Oh, don't forget it is still Glueless hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the frontals with my makeup. Look at that. Look at the bounce. Can you believe this is just 180% density? Obviously not. Oh, look at the coils. Look at the waves. Ah, I love it. Look at the waves. Oh, I love it. Lovely. This is lovely. Mwah. Hiya. What do you think? Lovely. I think this is a lovely and beautiful. It is beautiful. Mwah. Hey. So, guys, what do you think about today's install? Just go ahead in the comment section and drop all your questions, drop all your comments, drop all your loves, all your fams, and just drop it there and I'm gonna reply to them one by one. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I remain my humble self, Momandprettyimisi. If you found today's video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and your families and your loved ones, and don't forget to grab the link to this Love Me All Day Comfort Voluminous Hair. You see it on the video description. Thank you so much. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed. Remain blessed.